Uh, yeah. So, hello Utkarsh. How are you?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm sir.
Yeah. So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Utkarsh and I'm a final year, and a fourth year student from South University, Patiala, in computer science branch. And my strong suits are C++, data structures, and algorithms. And I am very much highly passionate about my skills and like to love my work passionately.
Okay. And have you done some projects or any internship?
Yeah. Last year I have done internship in the digital village, which is a PhD project under my university, and in which I have done the role of web programmer and the machine enthusiast. And also I made a project of facial recognition, which is using convolution network from scratch. And also I have done some open source contribution in a Java project in which I contribute things, and also my name is listed in the collaborators in their official website. So these are the work which I have done.
So, like, which language did you work on? Python?
So majorly I use C++ language, but for my internship and the other work I have done in Python.
Yeah, yeah. I'm asking about internship and projects only.
Yeah, that I've done in Python.
Okay. And how was your experience in?
My experience was very much good. I've learned many things. I've learned the most important thing which I've learned is the industrial experience, which I've got the industrial pressures which you have to do the work under the many people, and how to cope up with the team that I've learned in my internship experience.
And like, what were the challenges faced by you in project?
uh, in the project. First of all, in my project which I have made of facial recognition, first of all, I have to learn about the deep learning, and also there are so many errors which is my for the first time. As I made that project in my second year, so I acquired so many things from the various resources, and also knew many things about the deep learning. So these are the challenges which I faced.
And like, okay, so that were the challenges in learning. So while implementing, did you face any challenges?
Yeah, while implementing, I faced some type of error. I faced some type of error. At a time, my particular type of block is not running, and so I have to find out the basic thing. And I also and during the project, my teachers also helped me in it.
Okay, so how do you used to figure out the solution for errors you were finding?
Yeah, for the solution, I use the website. I used to use mainly the Google and the Stack Overflow, which helped me very much. And finally, after around some error were quickly resolved, and some error were taking a long and hard, but it finally resolved.
Okay. Okay, so I'm fine about your projects. So let us start with one DSA question we will solve, and I will give you 20 to 30 minutes to solve that question fully, and explaining the time complexity and the approach, and with running code. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So uh, can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there must be an option. Yeah,
I've shared.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So, one second. Can you go to this link? In the chat section, I have pinned you one link. Hello. Hello. Okay, we will wait for him. I think there's a lag. Yeah, hello Utkarsh, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes, yes. There's basically a network issue has occurred on my end, but it is solved now.
Okay. Yeah, can you go to the link?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So can you read the question and understand what it
Yes.
says? If you have any queries, you can ask me. And please go
Yes.
through the question. Yeah, did you were you able to
Yes.
understand the question?
Yes, yes. So, yeah, I understand question. I think I have understood this much that we have to find out the possibility if it can carry all the passengers or not.
Yeah.
Again.
At any point of time, if you are not able to carry out the passenger, you have to return false. And if you are able to carry all the passengers, so you have to return true.
Yes.
And you have given an initial capacity, oh sorry, total capacity of the car, which is fixed. You cannot exceed more passengers than that
Okay,
at
so
any
in
point
between,
of.
if at any point, if at that point the passengers are coming more than our capacity, then I have to return false at the end.
Yeah, you can return straight away false, like you don't have to traverse more than, like if at any point of time there are more passengers waiting outside and you cannot pick passengers, you have to return false. If you have any question, you can ask.
I get the question right now.
Okay. So are you trying to solve the question?
Yes, sir, I'm trying to solve.
Yeah, can you elaborate your approach, what you are thinking? And
Basically, the first point is striking right now in my mind is trying to make a number line in which I'm plotting the from and 2 points, 1 to 5 and 3 to 7. So right now, if and by traversing that number line, if I step at a point in which my capacity is greater than the given capacity, then I will return the false at that point. So this is my first approach, which I'm thinking right now.
okay. Okay, so like don't assume anything, the array can be anything like that. Okay, the array can be unsorted, or don't assume anything. You can ask questions, but don't assume anything. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, if the array is unsorted, then I have to first sort the array according to the passenger number.
Yeah, you can think of your approach.
Hmm.
I'm just saying that don't assume anything. First ask question and then okay. Okay. And keep asking anything, ask questions and keep on telling what are you thinking, what you are
And
thinking.
right now I'm thinking, as you said, that it can be unsorted. So basically, then it can be possible that the location which is giving prompt to in each index of the trip, that also can be unsorted.
No, that like from will be always be smaller than 2, okay, but
Okay.
these trips array, so basically it can be like that, that your 337 is like first element of the array and after that it is 215,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So, so first of all, I want to declare a variable which is keeping track of all the passengers numbers, and which I am declaring first of all it as trips
Script trips 0
0 0. First of all, which is so as according to the example one, I am storing it as 2.
as a what?
SS2, I mean this number, which is the I mean the first passenger number in the trip array.
So you are saying like these are the like first number of passenger I will pick.
Yes, yes.
So okay, yeah, but it can be like you have to check no, like whichever is the first pickup point. So uh, it can be like this array. I'm saying 3 comma 3 comma 7
Yes.
and then 2 comma 1 comma 5.
Okay. 3, 7 and 2, 1, 5. Okay.
Yeah, so basically I'm saying it can be like unsorted array
Unsorted.
based on the pickup location.
Okay, okay. Based on the pickup location. So first of all, I want to sort this array according to the pickup location.
Okay.
Yes. I never do this thing of storing the passenger number.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, I want to declare a function, bool form, so
Okay.
that I can sort the array according to the second index of trips each index.
Okay. Leave that function right now. Just write the sort function. We will write that function later. So yeah. Okay. And okay, just keep on telling me what you are thinking right now. Okay.
Yes, yes. So first of all, from this sort function, I want to sort my array according to the from position. From position means from where our car pick up the passenger.
Okay. Yeah, you can write just words also. Not need
Okay.
to write the code right now. Just explain the approach first. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So first of all, I can I write down by the commented line.
Yeah. You can write
Okay.
by anything. Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, sort the array.
Yeah. I understood. According to the first ठीक है.
Okay. So can I go to the second point then?
Yeah, you can write
Okay.
according to pickup point from according. Okay. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So and then my second point is to store the passenger number which is at the first location of the trips index.
Store the. Okay.
Passenger number
Mm-hmm.
at its first index.
Yeah. Which is at the 0th index, right?
Which is at the zero index. And according to the example one, it is two, and according to the example two, same as it is two.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Then I will declare a for loop
Hmm.
which is used to traverse the my trips vector.
Okay.
And now I will check. And now I will go. And also like this. First of all, I want to declare two variable more. In a variable declare. And in the first variable, I want to store that first location from where the car is going to pick up the point.
Okay.
Okay, yes. As in this, it is a one. First location of pickup point. Okay. And then, and in the second variable, I want to store the final destination point where the car is going to drop the passenger.
Okay. So what will be that variable?
That variable name is going to be T. And the first location variable is going to be T.
Okay. So for that fifth point, will that be the last element of the array?
Yes, that's going to be the last element of the array, the last index of the text. That means in according to example 1, it is 7, and same as it is in example 2. 7 is going to be my T point.
No, but like you sorted according to the first index, right? Like you sorted for the pickup point, not the last drop point, right? So it can be like the second variable could be anywhere.
Yeah, you are right. So for according to the changes of that, I have to going to declare a for loop in which I am going to store the maximum of each second index of each tick array.
Yeah.
And according to that, we got the maximum final point.
Okay.
Then I want to make a map.
Okay.
Which is going to store that from the starting point to the or more precisely from B to C. How many points are in our pickup point and how many points are in our in our drop point, basically. Okay. So,
Okay. Yeah.
I'll complete it.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
make a map which is going to track the number of. Pickup points and drop points. Okay.
And drop point. Okay. And now I'm going to declare a for loop which is going to traverse my which is going to run from B to C. From number B to C.
Okay.
I my starting point is going to be B and my final point is going to be C.
Okay. So, but will you run from B to C each point?
Yes. From each point. I want to say, and I want to add further things more. My explanation.
Yeah, one second. So let's say your first pickup point is at 1, okay, and the last drop location is at 10, or let's say
Yes.
100, okay,
Yes.
and you are saying like you will loop from 1 to 100 all the
Yes.
points,
Yes. Yes.
all points from 1 to 100,
Yes.
whether they are pickup or not, like.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, first of all, so my loop starts with traversing all the points.
Okay, so
Yes.
it can be a pickup point or not. It will depend. You will check in the map.
Yes, sir. I'm going to check in the map, and if it doesn't exist in the map, then I'm going to continue that loop to the further point.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay. So
Hmm.
and also I have declared, and then I'm going to declare a variable. I think I'm not done at the initial point. Then I'm going to declare a variable s, which is going to store my first passenger number, first index passenger number of trip vector.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It's just in at the 18th line.
Is it? That's the number.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And right and right now and so my first of all my s is having 2.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's take the test case of example 1.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So first of all my loop is going to be is going to at 1.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You can just dry run. You don't need to write now. You have
Okay.
written
Okay.
the
Okay.
point. Yeah. You
So
can
first
just
of
dry run once. You can first dry run once.
okay. Okay. So my my is going to be first of all my is going to be I is equal to 1. Okay. And my s is equal to 2.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm sorry. First of all, I want to increase it from s is equal to 2 from the b plus 1. And I want to run the loop map from b plus 1. So that at 1, I have already stored the passenger number in 2.
So b plus 1. B is
Yes,
what?
b plus 1.
B is your.
B is from my starting point of
Hmm.
pickup point.
Yeah. So b
Okay,
plus y,
and
b plus 1.
which is here is going to be 2
Hmm.
in my location. And also I want to add furthermore. Before my these conditions, I want to declare a if condition
Hmm.
that if after doing the after sorting the array, I want to add a further if condition. If my first index of the trip passenger number is going to be greater than 4, then I'm going to return directly false. This is my one of the HTTP return condition.
Can you repeat?
So basically, if after according to the first point, if I'm going to sort the trip array, okay, and at my trip first index, which I mean to say is 0th index, and at that index, if my number of passengers is greater than the capacity which is given in the question, then I'm going to return the false directly.
Yeah, but that
Okay.
you should handle in the like one loop itself. No, at any point of time, if that condition doesn't hold, you can return false.
No. I mean to say that that at my first point only this is going to be returned false. Then there is no need to go to come into the declaration of maps and such type of things.
Yeah. I got your point. Okay, you can do that way also, but it depends like
Okay.
on your implementation only. Yeah, fine. So you are basically storing the first value first, like you are taking taking your number of
B plus
passengers
1.
s is equal to 2, and then you are
Yes, yes.
uh, traversing in the loop from the next location,
Yes, yes.
b plus 1 location, right?
Yes, yes. I'm
Yeah,
from
I.
B plus 1, so it is going to be 2.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, and at 2, it will first of all it will going into the set of MP1, which is my first map. It is which has from pickup location. Okay.
Hmm.
Then I will add the condition mp dot find b plus 1 is not equal to mp dot equal to mp dot 10. Then I'm going to continue that loop as it is. Then it will come to I is equal to 3.
Hmm.
Okay, at I is equal to 3, it will see that it is in the that it is in the MP1.
Okay.
MP1 map. Okay, and I will see then I will see its passenger number. Then I have to add in my passenger, which is sorry. Then I have to add in my f variable that location, and my f variable is already 2, but at 3.
Mm-hmm.
My passenger number is given. F number is given 3. Then my f is equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, and then I can say that my f variable is greater than capacity. Okay. As greater than capacity, then I will directly return the condition, return false as it is.
Okay.
Then my f is going to be greater than capacity, as it is return false. If it's less than capacity, then I'm going to again run that too. And now, okay.
Yeah.
And
So
after this loop, then I'm going to at the end I'm going to simply true because there is no false condition in my loop occurring.
yeah. So yeah, I got your approach. So what if at like uh, at one location, at that location there is pickup also and drop point also.
You mean to say it can be 2 comma 3 comma 3. You want to say like this?
What 2 comma?
Okay. 2 comma 3 comma 3. You want to say like this?
Yeah, at 3
And
you
3 is the pickup location, and same it is 3 is the drop location.
no 3 is not the drop location. No, 5 is the drop location and 7 is the drop location.
Okay, then no, but in the but right now you have said that my drop location and pickup location is same.
Yeah, let's say for example you have one extra column which is, let's say, 1 comma 5 comma, okay, 1 comma 5 comma 9.
Okay, 1 comma 5 comma 9 in addition to the example 1 step 7.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So at 5 location there are 2 passenger leaving also, and at 5 location 1 passenger is coming also, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah.
so basically for this case you have to consider that you have basically first you have removed the passengers. Okay, so that is what I was telling you.
Yes.
So basically first consider removing the passenger, then taking up the
Yes.
picking up the passengers if the pickup location and drop location is same for some number of passengers. Okay.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, so yeah, you can go on and write your code.
So shall I make the bool compare that compares the variable now?
Yeah.
So first of all, I declare a bool comp variable which is going to have 2 arguments, vector a1 and vector a2.
Yeah.
And I'm going to write a condition if my a1 first index is greater than a2 1 index, and then it's going to return a2 1 because my a2 1 is smaller and I want to sort in increasing order. Otherwise, return a1.
Okay.
And in addition to this, in the sort function, I've written com.
So
Okay.
com, you just can, I think you just need to write com.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. And according to my dry run, I'm going to declare 2 points. First of all, variable b, which is going to store the first pickup location. And then my variable c is going to store my final drop off location.
It's trips.
Yes. And I'm going to declare to unordered map. And this one, this is going to store the pickup location. And B2, which is going to store the drop off location.
Okay. Yeah, can you rename that map to pick up and drop?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And I'm going to double one array according to the trips.type.
So your C variable,
Yes.
will that
It's
be
my final drop location.
will that be always your drop location, final drop location?
Yes, because it is at index 2 according to the sorted array. Sorry, no. I have to traverse first of all by showing the maximum.
Yeah.
First, let's complete this map function. And for the final proper position, I'm going to operate my C variable in this loop only. So from here, it is going to store the maximum drop off location from all the trips index points.
Okay.
So I'm going to run a loop from int j is equal to p plus 1 to j is less than equal to c. And before that, I want to declare that variable as, which is going to store my first index passenger number. And so from my first if condition, I'm going to check that if my j is a pickup position or not. If it's a pickup position, then I'm going to add this passenger number in my S.
Okay.
And from here only, I'm going to check that condition if my S is greater than capacity or not.
Okay, fine. And what about, so if
Yes.
like the point will be same for pick up and drop, then
Okay, okay. So and after that, I'm going to erase. So then I have to erase that pickup location from my pickup array, from my pickup map, so that there will be no problem in the confusion of pickup and drop of map afterwards.
no. Uh, yeah, it doesn't make any sense to remove that. But I'm asking you if like the drop J is also a drop location, then
You mean to say right now if my 5 is a pickup location and afterward my 5 is going to be a drop of location.
yeah.
Yeah.
After
So
that,
for,
no.
for, for sure.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So that's why I'm saying that if there is a pickup and drop of location, then my pickup location is going to become first as I've sorted the array.
Hmm.
Okay. So if my pickup position is going to become first, then my pickup map will also going to take that thing first of all, na. So at a time when my pickup map is going to come at that point, okay, and do the calculation, then I'm going to remove that thing from my pickup map. So afterwards, when the term comes of that number to be drop off, then my pickup map will not going to consider it.
But you are like you are traversing a location only once, no? Like you are traversing J from B plus 1 till C. So basically you are traversing one location only one time, right?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, I understood your point. Yeah, okay. Then there is no need to erase that point. I'm going to add the if condition so that it comes in both the points. I mean in both the if condition, then it's going to that the same point can come in pickup array and same in the drop off array also.
Yeah. Yeah, then
But then so first of all I have add the f, okay, and in that if conditional statement I'm going to decrease the passenger number.
yeah. So what will you do first? Drop off or pick up?
Drop off.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all I have to design the drop off if condition first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is my drop off.
Okay. So okay, 1 second. So you are going to the trips array, okay?
Yes, sir.
So trips of J, right?
Yes.
So like will that be tips of J? Tips of J is 0.
Where? Okay. You want to say that point? Okay. No. Basically, you are saying at that point where my cursor is.
No. At 36 line, tips J.
At this line.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Okay. So what do you want to convey here?
So like at this location, okay, how many passengers are leaving?
How many passengers are leaving?
Yeah, how many passengers are dropping?
Okay. At that point, my
Wi-
all the my passengers which are already in my car is going to be dropped off. So it's going to be equal to zero then. I mean.
no. Like only the passengers who are like want to drop off at that location will drop off, right? So what will be that number? So it will not be like tips of j of what you have written, no, tips of j of 0,
Yeah.
because like it can be like you have uh, you have one location, okay, and there are multiple people dropping. So let's say you have 215 array, okay.
Yes, sir.
So at one location, two passengers will pick up, and at five location, passengers will leave. So 215 means that, okay. Okay. So 215 means that two passengers will leave at 5,
Yes, yes.
and then there could be another element in the array, this trips array, which will be like 135, let's say. So one passengers will pick up at 3 and it will leave at 5. So at 5 location, 3 passengers will leave, right?
Yes, yes.
Total.
Yes, yes. I got your point.
So it will not be like tips of j
Yes,
of
yes.
0, right?
Yeah, yeah. So for that, I have an idea that I'm going to store the number here, the passenger number of drop off.
Yeah, you can uh, like what will be, it will be like drop off.
Paper of I say okay here, and then simply I will do as equal to f minus drop off trips I2.
So again you are like taking only one element there, right? Tips of I of 0. So what should it be at 28 line? I'm
Okay,
asking.
yeah. Trip of I0.
So what should it be?
Basically I got confused.
Yeah. I'm okay. So I just want you to write this one, this line. So this is 215, okay, and then there is 337,
Yes.
and then there is 135,
135. Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
and there is also 314, okay. So I have,
314.
yeah, so
Okay.
4 elements. So it means like one at 1 2
That one.
at 1 2 plus 3 means 5 people are uh, like picking up, okay.
Yes, yes. At one point. 2 plus 3, 5 people are going to pick up. Yes.
Right, so consider
Yes.
this kind of array, I'm saying.
Okay. I got the point.
So at one location there could be multiple elements in the array.
Multiple. Yeah. Of drop point, multiple drop points of for a single pickup point.
Yeah,
Okay. For that.
and multiple pickup points also, okay.
Okay. Multiple pickup points also.
Like at this so basically 215 and 314. So 215 and 314. So
Yes,
basically
yes.
three passengers want to pick up at 1 and leave at 4, and two
Yes.
passengers want to pick up at 1 only and leave at 5,
Yes.
okay.
Hmm. For that. for that I have to mark the pickup point also for a drop off point then. Then for that I have to then I have to also mark the pickup point also with the drop off passenger number also with the pickup point in my drop off map.
In the drop off map, you have to mark which elements will drop off at that location, right?
Yes, yes.
So it can be any number. So how will you calculate that?
You will calculate just a second. So we have to type and take one code. At for one, here it is going to be 2, and here it is 3. So it is 5.5. And for a single pickup point, there are multiple drop-off points. 5, 4. So at my 2 is 3. At my 4, 3. So and when my map comes, and my map drop-off comes at location 4. Okay, at location 4.
You just have to like add one tweak in your code at 28 line.
That is. I have to just add I have to just add a drop of tips I2 plus tips I0, I think.
Yeah, plus 0 plus equal, right?
Plus
what you're saying?
I'm saying that I have to just drop off tips I2 basically. This thing I want to say.
Yeah, plus equals. Yeah.
Yes, this thing I want to say, and from here.
Yeah, 1 second. Go again. Go there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So there could be. I told you no. So there could be multiple passengers also at the same pickup point.
Yes, sir. So I have to do the same thing for pickup also, just like drop off.
Yeah.
And I have to do the same. Okay.
No, not drop off. Yeah, pickup.
And from here, I'm going to S minus drop off.
Yeah. Whatever the value is. Add J. Yeah. Add J. Yes.
And I also have to change here also. S is equal to S plus pickup. Like this. And when I already declare the condition of S greater than capacity. And at the end, my for loop will end, and here I return true, because there is no case of false occur if this is going to be evaluated.
Yeah, so and one more case you told you have to handle. Which is like you started the loop from I equal to 2, no? B plus 1.
Yes. B plus 1, yes. Okay. So B plus 1. So
yeah, you can directly start it from B only. It will not matter. Like you have to not write that condition.
From B only, what do you mean?
Yeah, you can start the loop from B itself, no? No, okay, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, so basically then it's going to be add 2 also after that.
Yeah. So no, you can implement in your way.
Okay. So shall I run it?
No. One condition you have to write, no? If
Okay. If my initial is greater than capacity.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir.
No, not here.
After sort. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shall I run it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
One more thing I want to add. I want to add here const.
yeah, you can add static.
Okay, static.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, can you figure out what went wrong?
Yeah, I'm figuring out.
Yeah, so mm, last 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
So
Yeah, this is script I do.
trips out I dot two, okay.
Then is this thing. Okay.
And 1 second, can you start your loop from B?
Sure.
Yeah, and then S will be 0.
Yes.
Okay,
It will.
so yeah, so 1 second, use example cases.
Yeah, sure.
Use example cases, yeah.
Therefore, you have 5 it failed.
So S will be 0, right?
My S is not 0. My S is first passenger number. Okay, first. Okay, here I'm going to declare debate. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it runs.
Yeah.
Let's see the case for 4 also. From here it fails.
Okay.
If I see for that case, my B is equal to 1 and my C is equal to 7. And at 1, my drop off is not occurred. Then my pickup is occurred. Then S is equal to S plus pickup 1. That's that one. That's 0.
Utkarsh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so like I need to drop now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yeah, your approach was fine. Okay, so maybe you missed some like cases or like didn't implement it the right way. I think your approach is fine, and but you have to consider like multiple cases for this question. So instead of that mistake you did for that, as minus drop off, you have to take care of that, right? At 38 line, so basically you were writing trips, no? So
Yes, sir.
instead of that you have to take all the points, all the passengers which are dropping off that location.
Yes.
Yeah, and this was your mistake, and basically sorting was not required. So basically you are storing in the array itself, right? Storing in the map itself, and you are
Yes, sir.
going from the lowest pickup point and till the farthest drop point. So that sorting was not required because you have already traversed the array and you have already picked up the you have already taken the points which are pickup points and already taken the points which are drop off points, right?
Yes.
So at any point you are already checking whether you can take the extra passengers or not. So the sorting was not required in your approach. So basically in
Yes.
your approach which you like thought it to be like you require sorting, but that was not required. Okay, so that can also bring it down your complexity from n log n to the just n. Okay, so yeah, so that is what I can say. And yeah, you can improve. And it was very like very I can say very nice talking to you. It was like I saw you going through the question and thinking aloud and basically telling your approach. So that is very good quality that interviewers are looking for. And you were explaining what you were thinking, and wherever you got like you missed some cases, you recognize that yeah, that were cases I missed, and next time you have to like take care of that. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, sounds good.
Yes, sir.
Okay.